has got it going on. Jimmy's mom has got it going on. Jimmy's mom has got it going on. Jimmy's mom got it going on. Jimmy cannot come over after school. After school, we can hang around by the pool. By the pool. Did your mom get back from her business trip? Business trip. Is she there or is she trying to give me the slip? Give me the slip. You know I'm not the little boy that I used to be. I'm all grown up now. Baby, can't you see? Jimmy's mom has got it going on. She's all I want, and I've waited for so long. Jimmy, can't you see? You're about to wait for me. I know it might be wrong, but I'm in love with Jimmy's mom. Jimmy's mom has got it going on. Jimmy's mom has got it going on. Jimmy, do you remember when I mowed your lawn? Mowed your lawn. Your mom came out with just a towel on. Towel on. I could just tell she liked me from the way she stared. The way she stared. And the way she said, you missed a spout